Hi, my name is Amanda Campbell, founder of Bend Like Bamboo, a program designed to maximise your resilience and health. I believe that you can change your mind about what is possible in your mind, body and life. Flexibility in your mindset impacts everything that matters: your body's ability to repair, how happy and resilient you are, and how connected you feel. I came to stand here against all odds. At the age of 29, the entire left-hand side of my body became paralysed from an attack of multiple sclerosis, and my worst fears were realised. Diagnosed at the age of 24, I became frightened. My body started to mirror how emotionally paralysed I felt. I lost all belief in myself and my future. I couldn't walk, wash or feed myself, or simply get dressed without help. I lost life as I knew it. I was forced to completely stop and reset. Living in rehab, trying to make my fingers open and close with tears running down my face because it was so hard. I knew I had a choice. I could either give up or I had to change my mind, my approach, and what I believed could be possible. I knew I had to choose another path and discover what I was made of to get results. Inspired by a team of East and Western doctors and a lot of determination, I found hope. And from that moment on, I started to channel my energy differently. I started to focus on what I wanted instead of what I didn't want, which was to get my body and life back. I went from being in a wheelchair to having a foot brace to walking on my own to running that oval within 6 weeks. After living in rehabilitation for 2 months, I finally came home, mobile again, with a new belief in myself and purpose. I changed my career and studied health and the science of recovery. I discovered that we need to give our mind and body the right environment to reset and perform when faced with setbacks. To bend like bamboo is to change your mind about what is possible in your mind, body and life. Addressing nutrition, mindset and movement, Bend Like Bamboo is designed to optimise resilience and your health. My name is Amanda Campbell, speaker, sports kinesiologist and MS Ambassador.